Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tutorials in Telugu by Teja. In this channel, we are going to learn about Linux, Windows, VMware and cloud computing platforms. Please do support by subscribing. Now, let's get into today's topic.
Yeah, hi friends. In this video, let us see how to get some computer details and user related stuff from the Active Directory using PowerShell commands. See, this will be helpful in a real-time production environment. Sometimes you want to collect all the domain computers OS version details. At the time, these commands will be very much helpful, friends. Chudamu, firstly, see, this is my lab setup where I'm running on the ESXi. I have created a VM and this is the domain controller of ours with the domain name gtech. Okay, firstly, మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే see to get all domain computers OS అంటే operating system version details తెలుసుకోవడానికి we use a PowerShell command. Firstly, log into the server. I have taken the server through RDP. What you can do is just open the PowerShell and run as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. You can run a command, this script that will be PowerShell command that will extract all the see in this domain controller there are three servers. One server, this is the domain controller, the OS version is 2025 standard, and the other two are the Windows 10 Pro versions. In this way you can get as this is a test environment, there are only few servers, కొన్ని details ఉన్నాయి. But in the real time production environment you will be having multiple చాలా computers కానీ like servers కానీ like client missions కానీ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి you will be getting all the details over here. So then this is one way of extracting the things. Okay, let us go to the other topic. Here, get the OS version details of all the computers in a specific OU. And when you want to extract the object details which resides on a specific OU. For example, here I'm opening the users and computers. Here I'm having a OU called accounts, right? See, if I want to know in the real-time production, imagine like this OU contains around 100 plus servers as well as some clients or operating system, okay, objects in this. In such case, if you want to know all the objects which are placed in this particular OU, the operating system details, at that time you can use this particular script. See friends, నేను ఏదైతే రన్ చేస్తున్నానో PowerShell commands, I will give you all the PowerShell command details over that. Okay, in the description you can no need to worry about it. Okay, firstly I'm placing the command over here. I'll do one thing, I'll open the notepad plus plus. That will be easy, very much easy. Okay, this doesn't have the notepad pluses, no issue. See, firstly మనం ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ లో ఒక చేంజెస్ చేస్తున్నాను. వేర్ ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ హియర్ the distinguished name I am going to change. Firstly, how to get the distinguished name of this OU? Right click, go to properties, go to attribute editor. Here you'll be having a distinguished name, right? Double click on it and copy this one and replace in our script. You also need to replace this one, friends. Okay, I have replaced with accounts gtech local. See, this is my OU. So I'm going to copy the script command and I'm going to execute. See, this OU is having only two objects, that is the client 200 as well as the client 1. You can see the operating system versions along with the version details. What is the build version, those stuff, where the object is, what is the distinguished name of this object. Okay, this is how the second command will run. Now get the all computers with server operating systems. See, the third one is if you want to extract మీకు ఓన్లీ సర్వర్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఏదైతే రన్ అవుతున్నాయో మీ డొమైన్లో వాటి యొక్క ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ కావాలనుకోండి, like all the computers which are running with server operating system. So at that time what you do, you need to use this command. Go to the again in the server and paste this command. Paste anyway. Okay, I'm sorry, this is the wrong. Let me clear it off. CLS. Firstly, what we do, we'll paste over here. No, not this is not the command. Let me copy down the command properly and paste it over here. See, this command gives the operating system with filter Windows Server operating system, right? Copy the command, PowerShell command, and paste it over here, enter. See, right now, మన test lab environment lo we are having only one server operating system. That is the reason it is showing one server. If you are having thousands of servers, it will show thousands of server details along with the server operating system details. No need to go to each and every server, login and check. So that with this command from the domain controller only, you will be able to find all the servers OS versions. Okay, the next one is the different one. Here we have extracted the server operating system details. Right now we are going to extract the client operating system details. Okay, for that the command is let me copy the command and go to the server, paste the command over here, copy again. I'm going to paste it over here. Here you can see, the operating system is the client operating system we have filtered down. Okay, not like we have filtered it out the server operating system, only the client operating system will be visible now. You can see client 20 200, and as the client one is the two client operating systems which are joined to this domain. You can see both the server OS version details over here. Okay, let's go to the last one. Here with this command, what we can do, how to find the count. See, if you want to get మీకు ఏదైతే మీకు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ డొమైన్లో అసలు ఎన్ని సర్వర్స్ కానీ ఎన్ని క్లయింట్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ కానీ అసలు మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కంప్యూటర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయని తెలుసుకోవడానికి వీ కెన్ యూస్ దిస్ కమాండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సింపుల్ కమాండ్ Get-ADComputer command. I'm going to the server, paste the command over here. No, we can type down the command for you. Get-AD get hyphen. If you press tab also, you will be able to find. Okay, AD computer space hyphen filter space star everything, like we are not excluding anything, right? Count, COUNT. Okay, see, you can see how many computer objects are there. Only 3 computer objects. As this is a మనది ల్యాబ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ కాబట్టి మనకి ఎక్కువ కౌంట్ కనబట్టలేదు. బట్ మీ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్లో ఎన్నైతే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు నో హౌ మెనీ కంప్యూటర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ మై డొమైన్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్ యూ కెన్ గో విత్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ నో ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో సార్ నేను ఏదైతే కమాండ్స్ రన్ చేస్తానో ఫర్ ఆల్ దిస్ స్టఫ్ ఐ విల్ బి ప్రొవైడింగ్ ద ఓవర్ ద లింక్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద వీడియో. యూ కెన్ కాపీ డౌన్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్. రియల్ టైంలో ఇవి మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఇన్వెంటరీ అలా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఇది వెరీ మచ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. యూ ఆల్సో కెన్ గెట్ ద ఆల్ ద సర్వర్ డీటెయిల్స్ బై యూజింగ్ దీస్ PowerShell commands. Hope this might be useful for you friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.